Fidget trading.
Trading this Neato gummy bear.
Oh my gosh, that's the girl that scammed me. Let's try and get revenge.
Trading glitter dumpling.
Ooh, let me trade request for that.
Accept.
Okay, so first I'm gonna add in this gummy bear Neato, very squishy. It's filled with jelly. Then I'm gonna add in this square Neato. It changes color, pink to purple. It's also very watery. And then I'm gonna add in a homemade squishy here. Sounds very nice.
Okay.
I haven't got the chance to cut the tail off yet, but you can do that on your own time if you want. And I'm also gonna add in this squishy.
Okay.
And let's see, do I have anything else? And a green dumpling.
Accept.
Except, ugh. Get scammed! No! There's nothing in it. Fidget trading. Ooh, me. Okay, so what I'm gonna add in is I'm gonna add in this super very rare glitter dumpling. Trust me, it's very rare. So I'd like you to add, please.
Add?
Yeah, it's super rare.
This is the rarest color of this, but okay. I'll just add this balloon.
No, thank you.
No?
No, thank you for the balloon.
Maybe add the purple, the purple, the blue, and the pink mochi and the cheese, and I'll do it.
What mochi?
The pink, blue, and purple.
These?
Yep.
I'm not adding my cheese.
Okay,
I'll
pink,
give
purple,
you
and
this.
blue. Pink, purple, and blue mochi, and you got a deal.
What mochi? I don't have any mochis.
Okay, let's try to trade request.
Except.
Okay, so I'm gonna actually add in this super duper rare glitter dumpling. Can you please add more?
Okay, I'll just go with the purple scheme. Let's add this. And this, because it changes to purple.
Do you think you could add the blue cool cat maybe? Just the blue, you know?
It doesn't really go with like the scheme.
Okay. I really want the blue one. Please?
Then I'll switch it out.
Okay. Thank you. Except.
Haha, get scammed, loser.
Hey!
I can't believe I got scammed for an empty dumpling case. I mean, at least I still have my beloved cheese. And my duck. I'm never trading these two.